waiting for the morning, but they've not seen what I've seen. A white queen of the ivories, as mighty as she is lovely, and she knows me, she knows me. Because her heart aches in 7/8 in a strange place where only the waltz plays. She might not dance today,